Now, would you like to learn how to make at least $2,000 online as a freelance content writer? Now, let me give you the update. Freelance content writing is as old as Methuselah. There are people out there who are looking for people who will help them write SEO optimized content so they can send them out to blogs, newspapers, and the rest of them. Okay, so you might be looking at it, okay, I really don't know how to write and everything. No, there are ways now that you can use this content writing business, which will pay you at least $2,000 in a month. I can easily show you how this is done. There is something called chatgpt. I know you must have heard about chatgpt. I'm actually running a training on chatgpt right now, and someone said, why should there be a training on chatgpt? And it's something that I can easily go there and learn. Do you remember the movie Melon? You know Melon, of course, Melon. But he didn't know the amount of power he wielded. He didn't know the amount of power that were deposited in him. But it took a certain man, Gaius, to come and show him what he could achieve. There are platforms out there that you just hear about, you can scratch the surface, but you do not know the actual power that lies in those platforms. That is the essence of this ChatGPT training. With ChatGPT, you can easily become a freelance content writer. All you just need to do is understand how ChatGPT works, understand how you can use it to develop content for different organizations, for different procedures, for different purposes. Develop these contents and then sell out to these individuals who need your service. Now, you want to ask me, how do I sell this service? Go on Fiverr, go on Upwork, go on. There are so many of them out there where you can sign up as freelance content writer. Gigs will come. You will make enough money. People will tell you, okay, I want you to write 10,000 words or a blog post. I need it to be SEO optimized. All these things can be handled right there on ChatGPT. Alright, so I will encourage you to go right now, go and learn about ChatGPT. And if you don't know how to, there's a training going on right now on writer.com.ng. You can go sign up to learn how ChatGPT works and how you can use it to influence your passion. And you can use it to also make money in several other fields, even when you do not know much about such fields. So that is the update, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. For now, put it on.